Okay, now we are going to start with the third equation derivation, which says v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So that is the third equation of Newton's law of motions, or Newton's third law of motion equation, which says v square is equal to u square plus 2as. To derive this, again we are coming down to the same diagram. As you can see here, the displacement we calculated last time is nothing but DOEB. Okay, so DOEB is the total displacement we carried about. But what is this figure DOEB? Is basically a trapezium. These are the two parallel sides I can see, and this is the height of the trapezium. So we are going to use the formula of trapezium to calculate that. So here is my derivation. So what is the relationship we want to find? A relationship we want to find is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. As the displacement I talked about, it's the area of trapezium DOEB. What is the area of trapezium? Basically, it is half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides, or height of that particular trapezium we are talking about. So S is equal to half into the sum of the parallel side, which are the parallel side OD, and the other parallel side is BE, and the height of that particular trapezium is OE. Now we will replace these terms. OD is nothing but u, that is initial velocity. BE is nothing but final velocity, and OE is nothing but T we know. So what I have done now, I am replacing those terms. So S is equal to half into OD is replaced by initial velocity u, BE is replaced by final velocity v, and OE is the time taken for displacement. Now before we change this equation, we'll come down to this. We know that acceleration is final velocity minus initial velocity upon t. I'm just making some small change here. I'm just putting a here and t here. So my equation becomes t is equal to v minus u upon a. Why I'm doing this will come down now. Now I have s is equal to half uv, u plus v, already it was there, and this t which was there, I have replaced this t with v minus u upon a. So t is replaced here by v minus u upon a. I am just solving this equation which which becomes s is equal to v plus u, and this is v minus u, and the 2 which was there and a which was there is multiplied in the denominator. I'll take this 2a on this side, so it will become 2as, because that is what I want, and this becomes formula of a plus b into a minus b. We know a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So this will become nothing but v square minus u square. So this is the equation. Now if I take this u on this side, then it will become nothing but u square plus 2as, and v square will remain as it is. And this is what my derivation I wanted. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, and hence it is proved the relationship between displacement and the velocity. So we have derived three equations of motions. First is v is equal to u plus at, second is s is equal to ut plus half at square, and third is equal to u square plus 2as. All these equations are important from exam point of view, as we will be asking you in the exam to derive these graphical equations of laws of motion. Any one or two can come for derivation. So you should be knowing the terms and the relationship. So first equation is relationship between velocity and the time. Second is a relationship between displacement and time, and third is a relationship between velocity and displacement. So that if you know, you will be able to calculate this particular derivations. Repeat it 2-3 times till the time you understand the diagram and you are able to do it completely. In case you have any doubt, please ask on a personal WhatsApp chat. Thank you so much.